So props are changed and we are strapping in right now. And I'm gonna try to hit that line and then I am getting out of here. I also want that battery forward a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's do this flight and get up out of here. So the line is, I'm shooting through the edge of that building, up to the waterfall, dive the waterfall and back. In theory, on theoretical. Crossfire's freaking out, that's okay. The GoPro running, the lens is nice and clean. GoPro running. We are plugged in. Oy. I'm gonna go no music. I'm gonna focus on this line. Oy, 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 oy. Okay, make sure you're running. You're running. Okay. Let's hit this line. Fuck you, tree. Oh, that little tree. I need to go digital already for stuff like this. Scraggle flying, like around the area where I live. I found the drone. Scraggle flying from around the area I live is really, really not fun. Like this kind of area, it's just like, it's all scraggle and all little branches and stuff. So when you're flying, hey little GoPro. When you're flying, it's completely like, not impossible to do, but it's a lot harder than it needs to be. Like flying inside that thing is hell, this little bando thing, because there's little branches everywhere. But we did it, kind of.